Many visitors would visit Naren's father's office, which had 3 hookahs, each reserved for individuals of a specific faith. One for the Hindus, one for the Christians, and one for the Muslims. Naren questioned his mother, why keep 3 hookahs when all can smoke from one single hookah? His mother replied, Naren, I have no answer to your question. This is the tradition that has been passed down from generation to generation. Naren's contemplation persisted, unable to accept his mother's response. One day, secretly he ventured into his father's office, sequentially trying each of the 3 hookahs reserved for different religions. Astonished, he discovered that the taste of each hookah was identical. Thus his revelation emerged. These were man-made customs. Religion held no differentiation. All stood equal.